Good morning from Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria. As you can see, it's a beautiful day out here. Sun is out, and so are the people. This is the part of Africa that you will never see on the mainstream media. You never see the beauty like this. You never see the landscape like this. You never see the architecture like this. This is it. This is one of the most prevalent areas in Lagos State. Lagos, and actually, I need to correct people. People call Lagos a city. Lagos is not a city. Lagos is a state. So we're in Lagos State. As you can see the skyline from this part. You can see the cars. You can see the bikes down there. All those are delivery bikes. All those are logistic delivery bikes. See the security down there. Business people, they check the boots of the trunk before your cars come in. They thoroughly check the cars and let them in. That guy that's sitting there, he records the license plates. They also have CCTV that records every car that comes in and out of this estate. So it's really safe and secure. And people that don't want to come to Nigeria because they think it's not secure, it is. As you can see the cars, these are the same cars that are driven in Western countries. We don't live in huts. We don't live in, we don't live in caves. We have, as you can see, those exotic cars over there, the G-Wagon. You have the Camrys. You have the Mini Coopers. You have the 4Runners. Everything. And as you can notice, we have satellite dishes here, which is what we usually use for cable. There's another G-Wagon on there. Parking lot. You can park anywhere here. You can park anywhere here. You can just put your cars there. You can just park anywhere. There's an open space. Beyond over there is the water. It's the ocean. That's the Atlantic Ocean on the other side. And as you can see, we're really developing really fast because there's a lot of luxury buildings being built. Even beyond the back of there. There's more buildings being built on that side. This is kind of an open condo. As you can see, this person has a lot of plants that they water. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys as much as I can. So you can see the water. That's a British. That's a school. That's not so. In Nigeria, what they say is college is actually a high school. So we call in Nigeria and I think Europe and stuff, they call colleges secondary school, college, and also it's high schools in the U.S. So I don't know if school is still in session or they're going for the holiday. I think they're going for the holidays. A little bit too quiet in that school. That's the school right there. All of that is the school. I think you have the secondary school and the primary school. Look at the skyline. This is Africa. This is Nigeria. I mean, you'll never really see this on mainstream media because they need to focus on the negative parts of Africa. I don't want to let you know how developing it is, how much real estate and landscape there is, how much building, how much money, trillions of dollars of market cap and GDP that the country actually has. That bridge I think that's Falama Bridge. That takes you from one, it takes you to Ikoyi. Ikoyi's on the other side. And that's the Civic Center Towers. As you can see. That's the water again. Just showing you guys a little bit of the area. Again, if you don't know, I am in Victoria Island, which is a city in Lagos State in Nigeria, in West Africa. This estate actually has a lot of buildings. You have cluster 1, cluster A, cluster B, cluster C, cluster D. A lot of expats live here. A lot of Chinese, a lot of Indians, a lot of white American. The apartment I'm staying in is actually owned by a white American guy. I'm running for. There's a lot of money here. You never see it unless you come. Alright? I mean, from the cars, you can see that people here are not really poor. As people would like to say. If I sit here all day and show you the cars that are coming in and out of the estate, you will be shocked. You will be shocked with what you see. A lot of what you see in whatever Western country you are, is what you see in Africa. Again, we don't have a lot of good press from the world in general, so this is all they're going to show you are the parts where you don't want to ride home about. I am going to take a walk later. I'm going to shoot another video. I'm taking a walk. I'll show you a little bit more about the landscape and the area. You know, from me just taking a walk. So. A lot of boats just riding. There's a lot of islands, so there's a lot of boats coming in and out. I hope the sound quality is good. I'm shooting from my iPhone 13 Pro, so HD 60. And see how good this camera really is shooting videos. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. As I travel a lot, dropping a lot of videos about life in general every week, just so you know. Again, I'm just showing you guys the landscape in Victoria Island, in Nigeria. This is West Africa. Again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification button as well, so that whenever I drop videos, wherever I am, all over the world, you will be able to see it. Thank you very much for watching. More videos coming, just so you can see what they'll never show you on TV. Or the mainstream media. Shout out to everyone watching. Peace. Until next time.